Hello, welcome to another review. This is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds. Would you like to have a signage for your garden so that anyone who will pass by will know that there are nesting pigeons or a birdhouse? Are there many people going into your yard and would like to have a way for them to know that there are birds in your yard so that they will be extra careful? We have a signage for your loved birds. We would like you to know about the 5x10 This Place is for the Birds. This is a signage which has the printed word of "This place is for the birds." All appear in capital letters and in flowing font so that everyone will quickly notice. There are also two cardinals sitting on branches, one above the other. This signage also hangs on a leather strap that's tied in the front of the sign. This is ideal for your garden, lawn, patio, or yard. You can have the 5x10 This Place is for the Birds today at a very affordable price. Protect the haven of your loved birds. Until next time, this is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds.